Hello all, this is Shankar from Metaforum Technologies. In this video, I'm going to share our experience in terms of helping students to get SAP job. So in this video, I'm going to explain you the process of getting a dream job as an SAP consultant. So before deciding to do an SAP course, you have to know various modules available in SAP. SAP is not a single software. SAP is an ERP, and more than 70% of the Fortune 500 companies uses SAP as its ERP. So it is an absolute monopoly, and it is a very popular students among, very popular course among learners or professionals who wants to upgrade their skills. See, SAP is normally SAP consultant gets 20 to 30% higher pay than other traditional professionals. So there is always popular demand is there for SAP, and there are various modules in SAP. Primarily, all these modules can be categorized either as technical modules or functional modules or techno-functional modules. So in technical modules, you can choose two courses. ABAP is an SAP's programming language. It is only SAP's only programming language, and you need to have some programming background to learn this ABAP, and it is most suitable for freshers. And if you are a fresh college student with some programming basis, probably you can choose ABAP. So normally companies recruits ABAP as freshers, and if you are an experienced ABAPer, then probably you should look out for courses like WebDesign Pro, stuff like that. And second course in the technical module could be Basis, and Basis is like admin module for SAP. So if you are an admin, let us say Windows admin for some years, 3-4 years, then probably you can look into this Basis course. So ABAP and Basis are the popular technical courses available in the technical module. And when it comes to functional module, you need a functional experience. For example, if you are an MBA HR student or MBA HR graduate, or if you are an HR professional, at least, or if you are a professional worked as an HR even in a small company for at least 2-3 years, then you can enroll for this course, HR or HCM. HCM is Human Capital Management. And FICO is, again, if you are a MBA finance graduate or a BCom graduate, or if you are an accountant looking for a change into SAP, then probably you can choose this FICO module. Finance, actually primarily finance module. Knowledge on controlling will also help. And third course I would say very popular and functional is Materials Management, or shortly MM module. And see, if you are in purchasing, procurement with basic mechanical degree something, you can choose this MM module. Of course, if you are in production, then you can choose PP, that is production planning module. Or if you are in plant, you can choose this plant maintenance module. Or if you have MBA marketing degree, or if you have a sales degree, then you can choose sales and distribution. It's not academic qualification. Even if you don't have an MBA degree, or if you have some sales experience, you can choose this sales and distribution module. Probably if you are an environment professional, you can choose EHS module. So you need to have some domain experience or academic experience to get into these functional modules. And last category is new dimension, which is called techno-functional modules. First popular course in techno-functional module is BI, Business Intelligence, or Business Warehouse, BW, and it is SAP's data warehouse. And if you are interested in data warehouse, or if you have kind of technical knowledge, let us say if you are an ABAPer willing to move on, then probably you can look into this course. Or if you are passionate towards data warehouse or ETL tools, then you can choose this BI, BW. Here also there are some companies are recruiting fresh students for BA positions also. And next course will be BO. BO is Business Objects, which is SAP's reporting tool. Actually, when BO was started, SAP, it is not part of SAP. It is a independent company, European company, and then it became very popular in reporting environments. So SAP acquired them. If you talk about BO, there are 3 or 4 tools which are popular in BO. That includes Crystal Reports, Web Intelligence, Dashboards, stuff like that. And UDT, Universe Design Tool, or IDT, Information Design Tool. These are the concepts that will be taught to you to take or to produce standard reports. Last module, which is creating a lot of anxieties to or excitement to SAP professionals, is HANA. HANA is High Performance Analytic Appliance, or HASO's new architecture. It is SAP's database. So far, SAP uses database from other companies like Oracle or DB2 or MySQL. Now SAP is moving or migrating all the databases from ECC to HANA. So there is going to be huge demand for HANA professionals, and you cannot directly get into HANA. Probably you need to have some knowledge on BW, or you need to have some knowledge on ABAP to get into HANA. Or if you have a computer science graduate, or if you are passionate in database, you can choose HANA module. Okay, so these are the various courses under various modules. Okay, for freshers, I would recommend ABAP, and I would recommend BW. So if you are an ABAP professional, then probably you should choose either BI or BO, or you should go for BI and HANA. Naturally, if you are an BI consultant, then definitely you have to move on into HANA, and normally no one is going to recruit a guy with only one skill. See, if you are a BI guy, either you should know about ABAP, or you should know about BO, or you should know about HANA. So you have to move on. If you are BO guy also, probably you should look into HANA. So if you are an HR guy, you should move into HCM. If you are a finance guy, you should learn controlling, okay, and so on. So leverage your existing experience, domain experience, if you are a non-IT guy, and then get into SAP via the correct course. Or if you are a fresher, choose either ABAP or BI, or very rare cases, if you have personal reference, you can choose BASIS. Okay, for an experienced consultants, obviously you have to learn new skills. So before enrolling for the course, you need to choose the correct module, either based on your experience, or based on your academic qualification, or based on your interest, or based on your possible referrer. And once you have chosen the module, you should take demo from at least 3 or 4 trainers. You can get lot of trainers from online, or you can get lot of videos online, and most popular method is enrolling with an institute. So whatever be the case, you should get trainer from at least demo from at least 3 or 4 trainers. First understand their background, first tell them what you need, and tell them your correct profile, and understand what is going to teach, compare with other trainers, and then probably you can narrow down. Check his materials and stuff like that, and focus on facilities, what he is going to give, or what the institute is going to give. See, just check what is the server they are going to provide you, whether they are going to provide you latest ECC or IDAS kind of servers, and whether you get 24/7 access to this server, stuff like that. And focus on timings also. Normally, if you are an SAP student, you need to practice a lot, so focus on the timings, whether the software or server or machine is going to be available 24/7 for you to practice. Normally SAP themselves is giving you IDAS server for non-commercial use. You can practice with that, or you have to depend on your trainer or institute. And check for the availability of these servers, and check for the materials, whether they are giving you step-by-step guides, whether they are giving you certification material support, and any other relevant materials or interview questions they are giving you. Check on that, and also make sure that the videos are recorded. See, if you are just check the trainer would have taught so many students, ask for his videos, pre-recorded videos of other classes. Okay, that is a must. Check on that, and then move on. So from your side, once you have decided your course, once you have decided your trainer, once you have decided your institute, when you take your course after enrolling, you have to do 3 things. See, normally the trainer is going to tell you the correct way of doing things, right? so he is not going to tell you the possible errors and other things. Normally he will teach you how to do things correctly, how to take reports correctly, how to load data correctly, how to create tables correctly. So this is going to teach you only that. But for you have to go to a very popular forum online called SCN, SAP Community Network, which is a free forum. You can register freely, where you have to observe the various things. For example, if a trainer is teaching you about a particular report, he will teach you how to take the report correctly, right? So you have to go to SCN and find out the errors, possible errors in the reports. For example, there will be a topic like loading data into InfoCube. Okay, so the trainer will teach you how to load the data into InfoCube correctly, but you could just go to your SCN and check errors like cannot load data into InfoCube, error while loading data into InfoCube, error while loading data into PSA, error while creating table, authorization errors during creating views, stuff like that. You have to find out errors. There will be numerous SCN consultants who have already given lot of solutions. So some of the solutions will be marked as correct, some of the solutions will be marked as useful, some of the solutions will not be marked. So choose correct solutions and document it. So for every single topic the trainer is going to teach you, find out at least 2 or 3 errors and at least 3 or 4 solutions and document them correctly. This is going to help you a long way when you attend interviews. During interviews, if you are an experienced guy, people will ask you, is not going to ask you how to do things or what is this, what is that. People will ask you like, what are the errors you faced when you did this. In those kind of scenarios, this will really help. If you know lot of errors, you know lot of solutions, you have documented it, you can tell them. Okay, and if you are a fresher, if you are going to try as a fresher, definitely the interviewer going to ask you what are the challenges you faced when you learnt this concept. Then you can tell these errors and solutions. And then the next thing that you have to do while taking course is that you have to check lot of YouTube videos for every topic the trainer teaches you. Practice them correctly, find a solution, and also go to YouTube and find lot of free videos available. Your trainer is just one consultant. There are hundreds of other consultants who have uploaded their videos freely in YouTube. You just have to check each of them. Okay, it will help you to understand, familiarize with various terms and terminologies very easily, and it also helps you in terms of understanding different ways of doing things. See, normally download these videos into using YouTube downloader into your Android phones or stuff like that, and during traveling or during night time when you go to bed, you just listen to these videos and then sleep. Before catching up with your sleep, you can listen to these videos. It will indirectly make yourself familiar with these terms and terminologies. So it's the easiest way of learning, checking YouTube videos. And last thing that you have to do during taking course is that for every single topic the trainer teaches you, listen to check down lot of interview questions. For every single topic, at least you have to learn 20 to 30 related interview questions. If you do these 3 things, that is checking out errors and possible solutions in SCN, checking out at least 3 or 4 related YouTube videos, and checking out at least 20 to 13 related interview questions for every single topic the trainer teaches you from day 1, then naturally at the end of the course you will be job ready. Okay, there is no doubt about it. It's not that you just have to enroll for a course and tomorrow you can expect you will get placed. It's not going to happen. You have to do these 3 things. And after the course, you don't directly go to interview. You don't randomly prepare your CV also. Just understand, just see at least 10 to 15 real-time CVs. You can easily get it online or from your trainer or from your institute. Just understand them, just study them. What is the role of a typical, let us say, consultant? What is the role of a typical HANA consultant? First study them, and then with the help of your trainer, prepare your own CV. Remember, your CV size should not exceed more than 2 pages. Okay, and then probably attend couple of mock interviews with your trainer, and then attend at least 1 or 2 dummy interviews. There will be lot of walk-ins, mega walk-in drives happening in almost all the major cities in India. Okay, I can register for online job portals to find out where walk-ins happen. Just you can go and attend at least 1 or 2 dummy walk-ins. This is not absolutely ethical, this is in fact unethical only, but you can use this. There is no harm, you are not cheating anyone. You can probably change your name or change your email or change your mobile number and then attend one or two walk-ins directly. It will help you to understand the requirements of industry, or it will help you understand the requirements of or demands for a particular consultant position. So it will also help you in terms of easing your nervousness on attending future interviews. Once learn lessons. Most important thing is learn lessons from these walk-in interviews. Attend interviews and note on what are the questions they are asking, where you are struggling and stuff like that, and then sit with your trainer and rework on your CV, because at the end of the course you are not going to be comfortable with all the topics. There will be some topics you will comfortable with, there will be some topics you will not be comfortable with. So highlight your strong areas and highlight your weak areas and rework on your CV, and then upload to various job sites like Naukri, Monster, JobStreet, stuff like that, and you will get a lot of calls from recruiters, and then you can start attend interviews, and then on an average third interview you can get placed. So it is a process, 90-day process. Again, I will briefly summarize this process. First thing first, choose a particular course either on your experience, or based on your qualification, or based on your interest, or based on your referrals capable advice, and then take demo from at least 2 or 3 trainers and institutes, and then enroll for a course with a trainer or an institute or via online, and then collect materials in terms of previous video classes and in terms of step-by-step guides, and then for every single topic the trainer teaches you, check out for possible solutions, errors and solutions in SEN, and every single topic the trainer teaches you, check out for related YouTube videos, and every a single topic the trainer teaches you, check out for at least 20 to 30 interview questions, and then prepare your CV, and then at least attend 1 or 2 mock interviews with the trainer, and then at least 1 or 2 dummy interviews by changing your name, mobile number, email ID, etc., and then rework your CV, and then upload to your various job sites like Naukri, Monster, etc., and then you will receive a lot of calls, and then you can continuously attend interviews, and on third interview you will get placed. This is for normal student if you focus on what I am advising you correctly, okay. And then probably you have to market yourself. That is the most important for any SAP consultant. Even if you are an experienced SAP consultant or a fresher, you have to market yourself. Like you create a lot of YouTube videos, you learn a topic, right? You know how to do it correctly. Naturally you will practice it at least for 3 or 4 times, right? So when you become thorough with that particular topic, create a YouTube video, okay, using WNCH or WebEx or any free recorder or Cam Studio that is available in the market. Create a free video and upload in your name, okay. Let us assume your name is let us say Ram, okay, and you are going to enroll for SAP MM module, right? So create a video in your name like Ram SAP MM consultant, and upload all the videos that you learnt, that you practiced, and also you can create a lot of technical blog post, and you can create a blog in your name like Ram SAP MM consultant, and you can upload all the exercises, screenshots of all the exercises, and create a sequence of blog, okay. So and you can even put this in your CV, right? You can say during an interview you can say that you have created 50 video blogs, and you have created 50 posts in blogs, and you have contributed to general SAP community. I have 100 subscribers, I have 200 subscribers, stuff like that. You can tell this to your recruiters, and it will create definite positive impression on you. And also write a lot of articles in SEN. Initially it will be difficult for you as a fresher or as someone who is new to a particular module in SAP, but over a period of time when you gain experience, you can write a lot of articles in SEN, or you can answer in various forums in SEN. Within SEM you can answer various forums, okay. You can get points also that you can use it to market yourself, and also you can share your videos and blog post via Facebook and LinkedIn. See, in that is making your that will do 2 things. 1, it will make your videos and blog posts very popular. 2, you can easily catch the eyeballs of your recruiters. Almost all the recruiters these days are very active in social media, especially in LinkedIn, okay. They are going to check your profile in LinkedIn, that is for sure, okay. You make the correct contacts. Now let us say you are decided you are an MBA sales, MBA marketing guy, with some sales experience, you have decided to join for SAP SD course. First thing first, when you enroll in a course, okay, create a lot of connections in LinkedIn, like SAP SD consultants connection, SAP SD recruiters connections, SAP recruiters connections. Generally create a lot of connections, and then when you upload your YouTube videos, when you upload your blogs to in your let us say in your page, it will naturally attract the eyeballs of the recruiters. Okay, so but again, you should use it carefully. Your profile must be somewhat consistent. Okay, but if you do it using LinkedIn, if you can market yourself using LinkedIn, there is nothing like it. You can easily get positive referrals for your placement. Okay, in fact, I have created a separate video for marketing yourself in job market. You can refer to that video for more points. And these are the things that you should not do, or you should be aware of while narrowing on institutes or trainers. You should not believe anyone who is promising you 100% placement. SAP is not a joke, and no institute can give 100% placement, that is for sure. Leave SAP, even for other courses, no institutes can give you 100% placement. If that is the case, any Tom, Dick, Harry will enroll for a particular course in an institute and they will get placed. So whether it is an authorized institute or not authorized institute, or whether it is education partner or academic partner or alliance partner or university alliance, don't go for any institute that promises you 100% placement. Okay, so placement will happen if you follow whatever I told you in this video. Don't worry about placement, and don't just believe on only online promotions and reviews before enrolling with an institute or with a trainer. See, this is a very competitive field. Any guy can review any review. For example, your institute might have 1,000 negative reviews. That does not mean that institute is bad, actually, because that could mean that institute is a competitor for other institutes. So other institutes may put negative review, other trainers may put negative review. So don't rely only on reviews or online reviews. This is very important, because I know many students who's choosing wrong institute only because of their online reviews or promotions. That is not true. And also, you should not eliminate an institute only because it is having lot of negative reviews. So positive review is not an endorsement for their quality, a negative review is not a negative thing for their quality. There are many factors involved inside the training industry. What I would suggest you is choose an institute that is nearer to your place. The first thing. Second thing, attend at least a demo session with the trainer. Talk to that institute's counselor. Learn what are the facilities that they are going to give you, and then you can, if you are satisfied, you can enroll. Just don't rely only on reviews. Yeah, to some extent reviews may help, but don't rely only on them. I can promise you on that. And actually, don't be too greedy in terms of pay package and domain change. Don't think that if you are a BW consultant and learning HANA will give you 100% pay hike. The current industry standard is one number of years of experience plus 1 lakh or 30% hike of your current salary. That is the industry standard. Whichever is higher, you can ask for that, and negotiations will start from there. So don't be too greedy in terms of pay expectancy, and also don't be too foolish to choose random domains. Let us say, suppose if you are an let us say MBA student, MBA marketing student, don't choose HR course or don't choose ABAP course. Okay, so choose course or change a domain based on your experience or based on your academic qualifications. Don't randomly change domain. Domain change is must even for experienced professionals, but there has to be some logic. If you are an ABAP, probably choose WebDyn Pro or probably choose BA. Okay, if you are an HR consultant, probably go for HCN in terms of skill upgradation, stuff like that. Don't directly choose a module without consideration. And when you choose a training process, when you go through a training, approach this as a process. In fact, training and placement is a process. You cannot think that you enroll for a course just because you are going to pay you 20,000, just because you are going to pay 70,000, just because you are going to pay 2 lakhs, you are not going to land in a job. It is a process. You have to go through this process very carefully. You have to have checkpoints. You have to review your progress. Then you have to change your course. There are so many things involved there. So just don't think that placement is a entailment for you just because you are paying few thousand rupees or few $100. Approach this training and placement as a process. These are the things that you need to focus on before enrolling for the course, during the course, and after the course, by promoting yourself. Okay, so thank you for listening to this video on getting your dream job in SAP field. Thank you so much.